Hi, I'm Stephanie Marshall, a student in the organizational behavior class. Today I'm going to discuss my views of the video Managing Cross-Cultural Remote Teams by Ricardo Fernandez. In this world of uncertainties, communication plays a vital role. Whether the issues or barriers deal with language, a sense of understanding, or technical, people have to conform and adapt to be understood. As discussed in the video, words can be taken out of context or misinterpreted between different backgrounds. An example of this was presented when a phrase, "you're killing it," was looked at as a negative comment to one person and a positive to the other. The video was intriguing. It definitely presented a revelation as to the importance of a person's dialect and perception of communication. As a presenter, Ricardo was faced with some challenges and adversities. For example, remote communication can contain unclear translation, the probability of the recipients not being able to hear, understand, or see the information being shared. This type of misfortune causes frustration, can lead to both parties being uninterested and motivated, and ultimately discontinuing the conversation. In an effort to be proactive, the presenter should know their audience by asking questions and getting vital information before the conversation or the presentation begins. By taking the necessary steps and being proactive, remote learning can build positive communication and relationships that are based on understanding, making it a little better with the teams. As we venture into a world of diversity, we must take conscious approaches in all modes of communication. Technology continues to expand, but not everyone is savvy in the changes. We must continue to broaden our communication skills while trying to take appropriate actions that are conducive to everyone to a certain extent. For example, if our audience is privy to texts and emails, we may center on that. Or if our audience are folks who are blind or deaf, we may make sure that we have the necessary translators or material that's appropriate for those. At the end, we must all just recognize that communication is key and that we have all sorts of audience. As long as we do that, we will be able to be successful remotely as a team.